guys, we're back with another freaking video. Viewing my latest video, I'll put it at the end of this video for you guys to go watch. So go do that before you watch this video. Hey guys, for today's video, we're going to be doing a how to contour and highlight video. I'm going to be also putting one that I did months ago, almost a year ago, and I'm going to redo that video to how I do my makeup now, how I contour and highlight now. So this won't be this will still be a full face, but it won't be like a full face that you see on my other videos. So this will just be contour and highlighting. And you know, I do little brows. I'll show you guys how I do my eyebrows, because in the past few videos I haven't been giving you a full eyebrow tutorial. So I will be putting an eyebrow tutorial / contour and highlighting. But to do it, so let's get to it. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and put on foundation so you guys can see, and it's of course my 355. So pretty much this video is going to be how I typically do my makeup, but more in depth when it comes into the contour, because usually I fast forward my whole videos. Now we're gonna get into, of course, the freaking highlight. I think I want to do my eyebrows first. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a full face, but I'm gonna show you guys in detailing of, you know, my freaking highlight and stuff, because I do want to do some eyelashes today and everything. So I'm gonna take you brush your eyebrows up, of course. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Concealer stick right here, and we're gonna go underneath. Actually, I'm going to use this angle brush that I have right here, and we're going to use that, and we're going to angle where we want to put the, you know, the concealer at. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys with one brow. Since I've showed you how I already do my brows, I'm gonna do this one off camera, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do this one. Okay, so I usually take actually this is the eyeliner pencil. I have freaking eyebrow pencils that are right here, brow pencils. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Shoot, I just realized it's an eyeliner pencil. I gotta do my freaking eyeliner. So shoot, I'm saving up for my eyeliner. So usually I make sure it's a little sharpened. I mean, it's semi-sharp, but it's not 100% sharp. So, you know, we're still gonna work with it. So now I just do little hairs do it off camera for you guys. So I'm done with this one, and I'm gonna do this one off camera. So we got both of the brows on and they looking scrumply delicious. I love them. Can't tell me nothing. Pure. Now we're finna just get into some eyeshadow. I'm finna powder up this side real quick. Crazy. We just place. So I'm gonna take Sandstorm, just a shade right here. You can, it's so light you can barely see it. Taking Sandstorm, and we're gonna blend that into the crease of my eye. It's so light, I don't even think I'm using the color. Let me go into the Smoky palette so I can get a brown with the color Tarte, which is right here. Okay, so we have that. We're gonna go in with Calvary, this darker shade of brown. This is when I get into this palette, and because it's still spring, you guys, I am going to go in with this blue shade right there. Shoot, I didn't pick the right blue shade. Oh, yes I did. Right there, and we're gonna pack that in. Because I'm doing the other side blue, I thought I was going to switch it. I am going to go ahead and come back after I get done with this side. And we're going to start on, concealer. I was going to do some mascara, but no, we're going to go ahead and jump into doing the concealer, because this is what you guys came here for. Okay, so we back, you guys. I have both of my brows on, and now we about to jump right into the freaking concealer. I'm gonna be putting lashes on, of course. These are the lashes I have. Don't know where the top two is at, you guys. So yeah, don't remember the last time I had lashes on. Maybe in December. That was it. So we're gonna put, of course, the Maybelline New York concealer in the color medium Moyen. So since this is the part that, of course, you guys are here to see, the name of the title of the video, we're going to start right here. And so I've noticed that back in the day, we used to drag it all the way down, make these big old triangles, but that's not needed anymore. You know, I'm covering up the bags and the dark circles. That's it. I just started doing this. Yeah. Of course, up and make it a little. And because I do want to make sure that I'm not going to use this one. This is my lighter concealer. I'm going to use my lighter matte and Poreless Classic Corners So we want to make sure we get everything. And I'll usually do my concealer, my contour together, but because I'm showing you guys on how to do everything, I won't do that. Okay, so now when we do the contour, I'm gonna start on my nose. I'm really not done with, of course, the concealer and stuff, but I usually go in with my Aesthetica contour cream, but not anymore since I got this nude palette. I've been using this as my contour because it works perfect, you guys. Okay guys, so we're back. I'm sorry, my freaking camera died, and it was just like, man, please come on. Like, I hope my video did not freaking end and stuff. So we are done with this. Oh shoot, we're not done, y'all. We're gonna do some mascara. I was gonna do some eyelashes, but I don't really have glue, so we're just gonna put some eyelashes on. I mean, some mascara. So y'all probably gonna see me put the same lip gloss on because I only have clear and this color. So okay guys, so we are done with this look. I feel like it low-key look lighter than my skin tone in some areas that I would personally not really, you know, do. But I think it looks cute, it's cool, it's new, it's young, and it's fresh, of course. You guys, so happy I got to do this video for you guys. Love the blue on there. I think it pops and it goes with my freaking eye. I love everything about this makeup look. I think I went a little bit too like underneath my eyes a little bit. I do self-critique myself, so yeah, don't be on the comments. I'm like, okay, it's cute when you know it look bad, you know. We're out, got his babes. Next video I will be dropping will be something special for you guys. Next video I am dropping will be a recreation of one of you guys' favorite YouTubers you probably watch who do makeup. So I want to try to recreate their looks using everything I have. And if I do have to order some stuff, I will order it, because I won't be dropping this video anytime soon this week because I have a busy schedule. I am in college, which I will be giving you guys an update at the end of this semester, which will be my last semester of my freshman year. So I will be giving you guys an update on that. So that's all for this video, you guys. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video. Thanks for watching, and we're out, Goddess Space. Hope to see you guys on the next freaking video. Stay tuned for maybe pictures or videos. And make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, of course. Bye, babes.